requested to come on stage. I also request the team looking into sports awards to kindly assemble backstage. The next category in the awards is sports awards, followed by awards of Tech Fest. So the next two teams kindly assemble backstage. Mr. Abhijit Sarkar, Mr. Amit Bhatnagar, Lieutenant Colonel R.L. Sharma, Ms. Ratandeep Kaur, Dr. K.P. Jayant, Mr. Prateek Singh, Dr. Vikrant Chauhan, Dr. Anshu, Mr. Mayank, Ms. Vani, Ms. Radhika, Mr. Vipin, Ms. Sarika, Mr. Rahul Agarwal, Ms. Ashu Singh, Mr. Manoj Gupta, Mr. Malvik Singh, Ms. Moin Khan, Ms. Nandini, Ms. Shweta, and Dr. Ripi. If you have still not come on stage, I request you, wherever you are, please come on the stage. Requested to kindly assemble near the stage on right side, and thereafter the winners of Tech Fest, you are also requested to assemble near the right of the stage. In sports category, we are giving awards from 2023 to 2024. All the ex-employees are requested to come on stage once again for a group photograph. Please hurry up wherever you are. Please come on stage for a group photograph. The first award goes to Central Zone Inter-University Football Championship 2023-24. I request the entire team of 22 students to come on stage. The Central Zone Inter-University Football Championship team 2023-24. Inter-University Football Championship Team 2023-24. They have been awarded a sum of 50,000. Next award is for Central Zone Inter-University Football Championship 2023-24. The award for Aman Singh Bhati. Central Zone Inter-University Football Championship 23-24. Third award, All India Kickboxing Men's Championship goes to Harsh Kaushik for 15,000. Next award goes to Richa Sharma, BBH second year for Jiu-Jitsu National Championship 23-24. She's been awarded a sum of 15,000. Richa Sharma. Jiu-Jitsu National Championship 23-24. The next award goes to Aditya Makarwal. He has been given 1 gold, 2 silver, 3 participation, another gold and another gold. In category All India Inter-University Kickboxing Championship, Waco Indian Open Kickboxing Tournament 23-24, World Kickboxing Championship, Waco India National Kickboxing Championship, and International Jordan Kickboxing Tournament, Amman, Jordan. He has been awarded a sum of 20,000. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Next award goes to Inter-College Bench Press and Deadlift Championship. The team members Purushottam, Sumit Pundi, Harsh Agarwal, Lakshya Singh and Ravi Ujjwal have been given a sum of 5,000. Next award goes to Ishika Sharma from BCom 3rd year for roll ball. She has won silver in 19th Senior National Roll Ball Championship, won bronze in 6th Roll Ball World Championship, and bronze in 20th Senior National Roll Ball Championship 23. And she has been awarded a sum of 10,000. Kickboxing Championship 22 and 1 participation in Asian Kickboxing Championship Thailand 22. Next award again goes to Richa Sharma BB8 for bagging a gold in Jiu-Jitsu National Championship 22-23. Next award goes to Aditya Makarwal BBES. He has bagged 1 gold in All India National Inter-University Kickboxing Championship and participation in Asian Kickboxing Championship 23, Bangkok, Thailand. Next goes to Samya Hu, BBES. She has bagged 1 gold in Waco India National Seniors and Masters Kickboxing Championship 22. Next award goes to Akshat Mudal from BJMC 3rd year. He has bagged 1 bronze for Senior National Courage Championship 22-23. Next prize goes to Prashant Singh from BBA. He has bagged 1 bronze in Senior Target Ball National Championship. Next award goes to Preet Jangir from BBS for bagging 1 silver in Senior Target Ball National Championship. The next award goes to Siddharth Kumar Som from BBS 2nd year. He has bagged 1 gold in Jiu-Jitsu National Championship 2023. Next award goes to Vinay from BTech CS 2nd year. He has bagged a gold medal in All India Inter-University Drop Roll Ball Championship. Next award goes to Satyam Vivek from BBA. He has bagged 1 bronze in Hero National Beach Soccer Championship 2022-23. And last award in the sports category goes to Milind Singh Rawat from BPA. He has bagged 1 bronze in Hero National Beach Soccer Championship 22-23. sir. Thank you, ma'am. I next call on stage the winners of Tech Fest. The team looking into the awards of Tech Fest, please come on the stage. Tech Fest awardees. All the remaining awardees of sports category, please come together for a group photograph. All the students who are present on stage, the sports awardees, please come forward for a group photograph. Hurry up, students. All the sports awardees, please come on stage together, all of you. Thank you, students. Please leave the stage for next category of awards. In the Tech Fest category, the first award is backed by School of Engineering and Technology for their project Replacement of Aggregate in Concrete and Innovation of Fire Resilient Building Material. Faculty Coordinator Ms. Meghna, please come on stage with the entire team. All the students, please come on stage. The second prize is backed by SAT for the project Smart Monitoring and Fault Detection System for power transmission lines using digital sensors. Ms. Samul Afroz, please come on the stage with your team. The second prize winner team led by Ms. Samul Afroz, please come on the stage with your faculty coordinator. The second prize is a tie between SCD and another team is from SCM for the project Smart Indie Regulator. I request Mr. Piyush Kumar to come on stage with his team. Mr. Piyush Kumar, please come on stage. Third prize is backed by Agriculture Department for their project Precision Farming Applications in Agriculture. Dr. Vibha Yadav, you are requested to come on stage with your team. Agriculture is backward position. Please put your hands together. We have 3 consolation prizes. The first goes to SAT for the project Kavach QR, led by faculty Dr. Shubham Kumar. Dr. Shubham Kumar, please come forward. The next consolation prize goes to SOBST for the project Tesla Cost with Manual Distribution of Energy course. Ms. Sheena Agarwal, please come on stage with your team. Ms. Sheena Agarwal. And the last consolation prize goes to SAD for their project Dual Power Generation, Solar and Wind Energy. Ms. Sumbul Afroz, please bring your team on stage. The second prize for SAD. Next, I'm going to announce the awards of Mr. and Miss Fresher 2023-24 IIMD University. I request Mr. Fresher, Mr. Daksh and Miss Fresher, Miss Gunjan to please come on stage. They are Mr. Fresher and Miss Fresher IIMD University 2023-24. Please come on stage to receive your award. They have been awarded 5,000 each. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir, ma'am. Next award category is Teachers Felicitation Award for Commendable Service, Session 2022-23. I'm calling out the names. Please come on stage one by one. First name, Mrs. Asha Yadav. Ma'am, please come on stage. Dr. Atul Pratap Singh, Pharmacy. Please come on stage. Dr. Ehtisham Ansari, Law. Please come on stage, sir. Dr. Anup Kumar from Electrical Engineering Department. So please come on stage wherever you are sitting. Congratulations, Asha ma'am. Dr. Atul Pratap Singh, Pharmacy. Dr. Ehtisham Ansari, Law. So please come on stage. Dr. Anup Kumar. Dr. Surmay Singhal, Department of Botany. Mr. Kuldeep Singh, Department of Mathematics.
5 मिनट ऊपर चले जाओ।
Ehtisham sir, where are you?
सेंटर से करना, ऊपर जाओ। हाँ, फोटो चले जाओ, यहीं से चले जाओ, ऊपर से कर लो।
Dr. Ehtisham Ansari, Law Department. Mr. Vikas Kumar, Chemistry. Before that, we have Dr. Survi Singhal also on stage. Vikas sir, please come. And Survi ma'am, please come forward.
यहाँ से निकल जल्दी जाना।
Vikas sir, please come forward. Next we have Mr. come on stage. After Vishal sir, I also request Dr. Nitin Gupta from Hotel Management. So please come on stage. I also request Dr. Shirley Rana from Education. Ma'am, please come on stage. Shirley ma'am, please come on the stage.
अबे फुल सेंटर चले
Followed by Mr. Kumar Siddharth from Hotel Management.
साइड से खींच रहे हैं ये लोग
Before, first we have Shirley ma'am, followed by Siddharth sir.
सेंटर सेंटर
Ms. Sheena Agarwal from Statistics Department.
And next we have Dr. Vatsala Tomar from Biotech Department. Mr. Vaibhav Sharma from R&D. Mr. Vaibhav Sharma. Mr. Akshay Raj.
Mr. Vaibhav Sharma and Mr. Akshay Raj from R&D cell. Please come on stage wherever you are. I also request Mr. Sandeep Kumar Tyagi from Environmental Sciences Department. So please come on stage. Mr. Bodhi Sattva from IIMD Engineering College. So please come on stage. Miss Anshi Sharma, Sports Officer. Madam, Sports Officer, IIMD University. Miss Neelam from Registrar Office. Madam, please come on the stage. Mr. Ganesh from CCTV and Computer Center. गणेश भैया आप जहाँ भी हैं प्लीज आ जाइए. नीला मैडम जल्दी जल्दी. Miss Yasmin from reception desk of IIMD University. And last but not the least, Mr. Amit Bansal sir, here's to Honorable Chancellor sir. This brings us to the end of Commendable Service Award 2023-24. Next I'm announcing Mr. Alumni and Miss Alumni Samagam 2024. Mr. Alumni goes to tag number 7. And one last name, Dr. Ankur Gupta, PhD cell. So please come on the stage. Ankur sir, wherever you are. Ankur sir, I can see you. Please hurry up. I request tag number 7 and tag number 9 for Mr. Alumni and Miss Alumni to come on the stage. Tag number 7, tag number 9, please come on the stage. Commendable Service Award. In the next category, the award goes to Mr. Alumni, tag number 7, and he has been awarded a sum of 5,000 rupees. And Miss Alumni goes to tag number 9. Tag number 9, are you there? Awarded a sum of 5,000 rupees. In the singing category, the second prize goes to Sumit Raj Roshan from BNEC CS, and he has been awarded a sum of 3,000 rupees. Sumit Raj Roshan, please come on stage. And the first prize in singing goes to Neha Khiwal from BA Honors, and she has been awarded a sum of 5,000. Sumit Raj and Neha Khiwal, please come on the stage. Sumit Raj bags second position in singing category and has been awarded a sum of 3,000 rupees. And Neha Khiwal from BA Honors bags the first position, come running, and she has been awarded a sum of 5,000 rupees. In the solo dance category, I begin with boys. The second prize goes to Jeetu Meena from BCS CS. Aditya Rana from BPES. Jeetu Meena and Aditya Rana, please come on the stage. Jeetu Meena bags second position, ladies and gentlemen, and has been awarded a prize of 3,000 rupees. Aditya Rana, BPES, please come running wherever you are. Aditya. In the girls category, second prize goes to Vipasha from BSc Nursing. Aditya here bags the prize of 5,000 rupees. Vipasha from BSc Nursing bags second position, and first position goes to Ashi from BCom Honors. Vipasha and Ashi. Moving on to the next category, in the group dance, the third prize goes to Mr. Akshay Raj to come on stage. Wherever you are, please come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Mr. Akshay Raj. I again call on stage Ashi from BCom Honors. She has bagged first position in solo dance category and has received an award of 5,000 rupees. Well done, Ashi. And I can also see Vipasha backstage. Vipasha, please come on the stage. She's bagged second position in solo dance category, girls, and has bagged a prize of 3,000 rupees. Last but not the least, I invite on stage our eminent jury for this evening, who have done a commendable job sitting throughout and judging all the events. I call on stage Mrs. Neha, Mrs. India 2023 on the stage, Miss Tanya Singhal, a dance expert from Bollywood on the stage, and our rapper Rohit, please come on the stage. I request my backstage team to please felicitate these people. I request Honorable Sir and Ma'am to present our jury with a small token of love and appreciation for their very difficult job that they have done this evening. Mrs. Neha is Mrs. India 2023. Ms. Tanya Singhal, a professional choreographer. Mr. Rohit, he's a rapper by profession. Thank you, sir and ma'am. And lastly, we request you to stay another 2 minutes for a group photograph with the coordination team of Samagam 2024 and Imprints 2024. The entire coordination team, the alumni coordinators, the backstage support, anyone and everyone who has been a part of making this event possible, I request you to please come on the stage. I also request Sir and Ma'am to felicitate with a small token of love to Raghav.
भाई बीच से ले लेगा मुझे
मैं इसको खोल